The Save Mount Kilimanjaro Trust is a community-based environmental and health interventions project in the High District and aims to be replicated across the whole region of Kilimanjaro. There is ample evidence to show that human health and poverty are heavily influenced by climate and environmental changes. It is also a proven fact that environmental degradation accelerates poverty. Given this linkage, it is imperative that environmental degradation must be addressed to improve community health and reduce poverty. We undertook an analysis of the environmental and climatic changes on the slopes of Kilimanjaro and the observed impact on livelihoods and health. The analysis included a literature review, interviews, and extensive discussions with experts and community members, including our own experiences growing up on the slopes of the mountain. We designed and implemented a set of interventions to address the situation in the villages of Sawe and Sonu in the High District between the years 2010 and 2023 in order to develop a proof of concept for scaling up interventions. These interventions may be extended later to the whole region of Kilimanjaro and other regions facing similar issues. The current state of degradation is serious. Rivers have dried up, rainfall patterns have changed drastically, and temperatures are gradually rising. These issues are caused by poor and unsupervised farming practices and other human activities that have led to a serious systemic environmental threat to the region. Safeguarding the unique environment of Mount Kilimanjaro is essential for the future generation and ensuring its people continue to live in prosperity. With the current state of degradation and global warming, it is widely expected that the snow of Mount Kilimanjaro will disappear within the next 20 years. Furthermore, as the environment deteriorates, locals of Mount Kilimanjaro will be prone to a variety of non-communicable diseases which require urgent attention. This is the driving force in the formation of the Save Mount Kilimanjaro Trust. The Trust will attempt to take on these problems in collaboration with government and local and international institutions to address the environmental health concerns and worsening poverty levels. Our studies have confirmed that the current state of environmental degradation has been driven by three main issues. Firstly, extreme poverty. Secondly, a lack of awareness on the importance of environmental conservation. And lastly, weak enforcement of bylaws due to corrupt and non-participatory top-down management systems. There is ample evidence to show that rivers and water sources have dried up due to rising temperatures and changing rainfall patterns. These changes have not only accelerated poverty levels, but contributed to a variety of non-communicable diseases such as diabetes, cancers, and hypertension. On top of this, evidence shows an increase in malaria cases in areas where the occurrence of the disease was rare. This project aims to work directly with the local community by incorporating their views, experience, and suggestions to help improve the state of the region. So far, over 30,000 trees have been planted along with 2,000 avocado trees and a variety of tropical fruits. Various high-value crops such as cardamoms and vanilla have been grown to support the community. With regards to bringing back coffee as a main agricultural cash crop, the project has contributed to the growth of 3,800 high-yield organic coffee trees using best farming practices in the villages of Sonu and Sawe. The project has built local capacity of farmers by training them on beekeeping and livestock for milk and manure. The initiatives implemented in Sonu and Sawe have been built on the philosophy that seeing is believing. The project aims to raise funds to scale it up throughout the High District in the next 4 years and subsequently the entire region of Kilimanjaro.